Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are making kofta curry. Start by adding 2 medium onions to the blender. Add 3 cloves of garlic. Ginger to taste. 1 large green chili. About 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander. Chop everything until fine. Add 500 grams of beef mince to the blender. And 3 tablespoons of roasted chickpea powder. One tablespoon of ground coriander. One and a half teaspoons of cumin. 2 teaspoons of garam masala. 1 tablespoon of red chili pepper. 1 tablespoon of ghee. 2 teaspoons of salt. One egg. Blend everything well together. Make small round balls from the mixture. Add half a cup of cooking oil to a skillet. Add 3 to 4 cardamom seeds. One tablespoon of garlic paste or to taste. $250 milliliters of tomato puree. Salt to taste. One tablespoon of red chili powder. One teaspoon of turmeric. One tablespoon of coriander powder. One tablespoon of cumin. One teaspoon of red chili powder, DG if available. Cook for about 5 minutes over low heat. Add 1 cup of yogurt. One large onion, browned. Blend to form a paste. Add onion and yogurt paste to skillet. Cook for about 5 minutes and add half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Add the mince balls. Shake to cover the mince balls with the sauce. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add water as required. Turn the balls so that they are covered with the sauce. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala. A quarter teaspoon of cumin. Some people don't like the taste of cumin, so a lot of it can be left out. 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves, optional. Cover and cook for 5 more minutes. The beef kofta recipe is ready. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel.